Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy network security with Fortinet beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the core concepts of network security. Familiarize yourself with the Fortinet product line, particularly FortiGate firewalls. Begin by setting up your FortiGate device. Connect it to your network environment. Ensure that you have access to the device's web interface. Open a web browser and enter the default IP address of the FortiGate. Log in using the default credentials provided with your device. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can view the current status of your device. Next, configure your network interfaces. Go to the Network tab and select Interfaces. Assign IP addresses based on your network design. Enable the interfaces that will be used for LAN and WAN. Now, set up your user accounts for authentication. Navigate to the User and Device tab and select User Definition. Add new users or groups as needed to manage access. Once user accounts are set up, configure firewall policies. Go to the Policy and Objects tab and select IPv4 policy. Create rules to allow or deny traffic based on your network requirements. Be sure to specify the source and destination addresses for these rules. After configuring policies, enable Intrusion Prevention System. Go to the Security Profiles section and select Intrusion Prevention. Enable and customize the IPS settings according to your security needs. Next, set up antivirus and web filtering profiles. Go to the Security Profiles section and select Antivirus. Enable antivirus protection and customize the settings. Repeat this process for web filtering to block inappropriate content. Now, configure logging and monitoring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.